the leader of the green lighting. With the development of a rapid economy, city lighting pay more attention on energy conservation. As a leader in the green light industry, Changsha Xinlian Electric Power Automation Technology Company Limited can provide you a perfect solution. Changsha Xinlian Electric Power Automation Technology Company Limited was established in 2006 and located in Jixing Pioneering Base, number 8 Lujing Road, High-Tech Development Zone. The transportation is so convenient and the environment is so beautiful. With a group of professional senior engineers, our company specializing in the manufacture and sales of electronic ballasts, high-efficiency HPS and urban lighting intelligent control system obtained the honor of National High-Tech Enterprise. Chinese software companies and China Lighting Association, the high-tech products sales in the global world. The energy-efficient Xinlian Dianli series of electronic ballast product of our company can be used in the field of commercial lighting, road lighting, plant lighting, stadium lighting, tunnel lighting, industrial lighting, and other lighting, and water and other environmental protection area. A full range of intelligent and efficient electronic ballasts compatible with high-pressure sodium, metal halide, mercury, and other products cover the 2000 watt, 1000 watt, 600 watt power-efficient electronic ballasts and HID 400 watt, 250 watt, 150 watt, 110 watt, 70 watt, 35 watt, and other small low-power HID electronic ballasts with more than 10 million annual capacity and are free to expand production scale according to users' needs. There is a 2-year guarantee. The high-pressure sodium lamp can work 18,000 hours, which is over 4 years. The ballast with no energy consumption can save more than 45% energy when cooperate with our company's intelligent lighting control system. Lighting power constantly. Power can be adjustable from 50% to 110% intelligently, and it can work in an environment of minus 40 degrees to 75 degrees. With a speedy economic and urbanization development, with the number of vehicles rapidly increasing, the traffic flow at night is become more and more high. How to improve the quality of road lighting, reducing energy consumption? Realizing green lighting has become the key question of city lighting because the traditional street lamps have the problems such as short service life, remote control, unable to monitor by inspection, great number of artificial tasks, no reaction efficiency of fault management, weak function of statistics and querying, the waste caused by all light lighting, and the traffic safety problems caused by lighting of at the middle light, etc. All these problems can be resolved by our XL-DL 8000 series intelligent lighting control system. The function of the control system has 7 characteristics shown as below. 1. The remote distributed control is realized by using Internet technology and the GPRS wireless network. 2. The independent control of street lamps under the same power network and automatic relay function that all sections cover the communication distance, which is realized by using high-performance DCSK modulation of power line communication technology. 3. The monitoring center centralized data management and monitoring based on partition fragmentation management network to road. A large street lamp control system is forming, and the central system monitoring of city is against the background of city vector electronic map. The each remote query set up terminal operation parameters and the remote control terminal switch operation are dynamic visual displayed on screen for each terminal. 4. The automatic control functions for each section of concentrator. Once the locations latitude, longitude, date, the current time, the time of turning on or off the lights are set up one time. There is no need to do any adjustment later. According to local time changing of the day or night, the warp, web time algorithm built in the software can turn the night on off time automatically. For example, if the dark time delayed by 1 minute than yesterday, the time of light turning on today would also delay 1 minute later. Power adjustment with nighting time be set to 50% to 100% as linear power output. This makes measurement convenient and control very reliable. 5. The light-dependent control. As long the light intensity value has been set and the light-dependent control function turning on, the terminal can realize the on-off operation according to the changes of the weather and working fairly good, such as turn on the light as a sun and rainy day or solar eclipse. This would make the system more humanized and intellectualization. 6. The real-time control of city street light system. The staff at the monitoring center can turn on off the street lamps in time according to the weather, climate change, and also making sure the consistency and randomness of switching time at a given area. They remotely can set a state of certain area within a certain time, lighting up at the middle light and the output power of each single lamp. 50% to 100% as linear power output in order to save power. 7. The alarm processing. Alarm aspects include cable anti-theft, fault distribution box illegal to open a door, such as voltage, current, the limit of fault. The statistics function can be queried by the records. All the data can be exported in the form of Excel according to the year, month, and the day statistic data, which is convenient to save and print. Compared with the inductive ballast, use the 250-watt efficient electronic ballasts with the new type of high-pressure sodium lamp lighting can save 1 kWh every night. Calculated 10 hours per light, saving 40% energy. LED light has its disadvantages, such as serious attenuation, poor penetration, uneven illumination, and other serious defects. Especially the glare for LED light is so serious. On the way, drivers cannot determine the safe distance correctly, easy to cause accidents, though the developed countries such as America, European countries, Japanese, are not adopted LED light source on road lighting. At present, China is vigorously promoting the use of new energy-saving electronic ballasts and a new type of high-pressure sodium lamp to replace traditional light source and LED light source to ensure that lead-free, no mercury, zero pollution, zero emission. The mercury emissions all over the world are polluting constantly the forest and water, which causing serious damage to our ecological system. The global warming also makes people to realize that we must begin to reduce our waste emissions and to replace the discarded by recycling and reuse. The MRT company in Sweden have been using the mercury recycling equipment almost 30 years. We choose the MRT HID processor, which is able to handle different types of HID lamps and the longest 450mm E27 and all kinds of high-pressure gas discharge lamp E40 socket. The HID processor in a 3 consecutive mercury lamp disassembled into different parts processing steps. Firstly, the outside light bulb glass separation from the catenary and electrical outlet and broken. Then mercury catenary is separated from the socket and broken by cutting pieces of metal separation and collection to the internal 165 liters of boxes of the machine. The metal socket will automatically be decomposed to HID processing external 165 liters of boxes. Glass is collected 200 liters steel drum. Capillary were collected from 30 liters of distillation in the bucket. Xinyan Company provide complete solutions to deal with mercury, nitrogen, argon, and other wastes. Recommend to use a global leading technology from Swedish to deal with the solution, such as compaction and separation technology to recover the fluorescent lamp and the harmful substances from all kinds of gas discharge lamps. Use a distiller to recycle mercury. Ensure the recovery treatment completely lead-free, no mercury, zero pollution, zero emission. Our intelligent electronic ballast already obtained the state patent for invention through the detection of RoHS. RoHS is authority environmental certification for Europe and the United States and the highest level detection for lead-free. Our electronic ballast also got a CE certification. That's a kind of qualification that free to circulate it in Europe and American market for Chinese product. CE is introduced by the European Union and a sign that our product conform to the requirements. Xinnian Dianli have a lot of good partners in the field of road lighting. Our products used by Daqing Oil Field, Shugang Company, Guangzhou Subway Company, street lighting administration, railway, mall, school. Our products have been widely recognized by the society. Our Xinnian company is committed to providing high quality, high efficiency, energy saving, and environmentally friendly green light service for global customers.